So guys, today we're taking a look at this rotating platform. I picked this up because I'm a content creator and I create content, and I like the idea of being able to rotate the product that I'm reviewing. So I'm going to take a look at this one and unbox it with you. I've not looked at it so far. As you can see, it's still just to open the box. So let's unpack it and see what you get. First impressions. There are a few available, different sizes. I went for one that was slightly bigger. These would be really good if you've got like a shop and you display products in maybe a glass stand, or if you are a photographer or maybe an artist as well, you want to rotate something. So out of the box there, I've got an instruction manual. I think this comes in two colours as well. I think it comes in white or black. I went for the white. So there is how it looks out of the box. I think that's a light, which is, if that's a light, that's pretty cool. I never even thought about that, but that'd be such a cool thing to have, particularly if you're displaying like crystals or something like that, or maybe photo frames where the light would make such a big difference. The back there is just plain, got some little soft feet, and then you've got your on off buttons and I presume a directional button. Comes with a cable. I've got a power source here, so let's plug it in and see how it goes. How smooth it how noisy it is also a feature as well. And yeah, let's take a look. Incidentally, this is the cable length. This is like doubled over. So this is probably, I'm guessing, not quite 2 meters, but maybe 1.5 meters. But check the listing. All right, plugging this guy in. Lights come on straight away. That's very cool. And then we've got the rotationals. That's the on, and then that's the light on and off. Okay, let's put something on it to make sure it does actually, make sure it goes. And there is that there moving. Just a nice little plant. It's not particularly noisy, it's very quiet actually. So I think if you had this maybe in your bedroom, a lot of people like to display their collectibles, I don't think this will be disturbing to you at all. Let's just do those buttons one more time. So that's the off, on, and the light obviously you cannot see. So yeah, it's just a one directional on off light, and the speed's quite pleasant. I think that's really nice. So if you were doing if you're a content creator, photographer, you don't want your products on display or your collectibles, I think this is going to be a really nice addition. Plenty of space, which is the reason why I picked this one in particular. I think there are others that do maybe different directions, which I don't think really matters to me, and probably different speeds. Again, this is not going to be a factor for me, but this one is really good. I think I'm really impressed with it. It's going to be really useful with my content creation as well. Yeah, that's not. Thank you for watching.